I remind you, our topic for today is of Geography, 7th grade class, Sequence 3, in your books. The title is Circles and Lines of Earth. The objective of the class is to know about the existence of the imaginary lines and how they can be used to find location. Let's begin.
There is a question I want you to ask yourself. How can social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, Pinterest know my location? Well, the first step to answer that question is to know that the Earth has imaginary lines that help us to find locations.
Use a system of imaginary circles called parallels and meridians. The meridians are semicircles that run from north to south and meet at the poles, as you can see in the first image. In the second image, we can see lines that goes from east to west. These are called parallels. Some of these lines are very important, and they have their own name. For example, the equator, the largest circle, which divides the globe into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The angular distances of these lines are called coordinates. The angular distance of a place north or south of the Earth's equator is called latitude. The angular distance of a place east or west of the meridian is called the longitude. As you can see in the image, the latitude and longitude equals a globe full of imaginary lines.
To complete this information, please research the names of the most important imaginary lines. The information you will acquire will help you to thoroughly understand these imaginary lines. We encourage you to write down any doubts that you have about this information. Thank you so much for watching.
The activities that can be applied in the classroom are the following. Have the students draw a globe on the floor with chalk and encourage them to draw the imaginary lines and name each one of them. As a written activity, have the students complete an exercise from the geography book. At the end, have the students play a memory game with the names of the imaginary lines, their definitions, and their use. These activities will help you strengthen the previous acquired knowledge.